This is the oo sound. The oo sound is spelled in lots of different ways. Sometimes with the letter O or double O, as in the words who and to. Or sometimes it's spelled with the letter U, as in the word use. But it can also be spelled with the letters UGH, as in the word through, or the letters EW, as in the words few. Like with all vowels in English, the spelling can be very inconsistent, and you'll always find alternative and unusual spellings of the vowel sounds. It's one of the most difficult things in English, but you just have to learn it. Words don't normally start with the oo sound, but there are some words that have this sound in the middle. For example, student, group, school, and move. Here are some words with the oo sound at the end. Do, to, view, and value.